How to make a face mask.
It's 4.5 inches out of it. There you go, 4.5 inches. I'm gonna fold it once, I'm gonna fold it again. Check it again real quick, it's 4.5 inches. And you're gonna bring this in right here. And then you're gonna bring this one in right here. Again, you see, about 4.5 inches. You want enough to cover your face from your nose down to your chin. Next step,
Put a rubber band here.
you're gonna fold these together here. Bring them in. Then do the same on the other side. Fold these two together. Bring it in here. And the same thing over here. You want to open it up enough for your face to fit. Then you're going to bring this piece right here. Again, right here. And this one, you're going to bring it in right here. And what you want to do is take this piece right here and stick it right in the inside. Let's put it in there real quick.
Rubber band.
Another one there. And there you go. Get a little face mask right here. How cool. There you go. You have your face mask right here.
Make sure you use a strong rubber band and not a cheap one so it won't break.
And there you go. You have the face mask all done. Pretty cool.
Once you wear the mask 1 or 2 times, take it apart, stick it in the washing machine so then you'll be able to wear it again. And please stay inside. But if you do have to go out, keep your distance at least 6 feet away from other people. Be safe and God bless.